What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, as you can see from the intro, we're doing some in-channel window vents. And I did this on my former truck that I had, my boy Bruce, my 16 Ram 1500. I actually did it before I actually had a YouTube channel, so I never got a chance to record it. These are the same brand that I picked up. It's AVS. You could get it on Amazon. It's like about 65 bucks or something like that. It's from a company called Ventshade. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, those shades are still on the truck. They never broke, they never gave me a problem, and they come in so handy just to deflect that, like let's say there's a drizzle or any type of rain or whatever, you could always crack your window and just get some fresh air and not have that damn rain beat in on you, you know what I mean? So all I could say is there's good things about the brand. As I said, I did it before I had a YouTube channel, so I never got to record a lot of things that I actually did on the truck, you know what I'm saying? So with this truck, I'll be doing, you know, obviously I just did my bed. I'll link a video up for that. I got to do my running boards. There's so much to do, but these are very, very simple to do, and they give you a QR code over here so you could scan it with your phone and see the installation instructions. But the installation instructions are a little bit vague to a first timer, so I'm gonna go over it right now so you don't have to freaking worry about that. Okay, they give you like a Scotch-Brite pad, 4 alcohol pads as well, and these are the passenger side shades right here. And guys, just remember, AVS, if you're confused about which one goes where, just look at the curvature of the window, and AVS always goes on the back side of the door, like over here. So the driver's side one will go on the back side of the door. Passenger one will go on the back side of the door as well. So let me just show you what to do real quick. There's just one little caveat that you got to pay attention to, and you're straight. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll all your windows down, and you're gonna take this Scotch-Brite pad right here, and remember, these are in channel, so it's gonna be going in the channel in here. So you're gonna take the Scotch-Brite pad and scrub the entire channel. Okay, scrub the entire channel, even right over here. And when you're finished, you're gonna take the alcohol pad, okay, and wipe the inside of any type of grease or debris that Scotch-Brite pad might have gotten off. Now here's the kicker, okay? Right here, this tip off the shade right here goes in between this rubber piece here and this molded piece right here. Goes in between there in order to hold the shade properly. So to get that in there is very easy. I have my 303 aerospace protectant. It literally could, like, look at the shine on this thing. It's fantastic. So just put a little bit on the tip of this, just rub it on there, and it'll help it slip in there. It'll help it slip in between there, okay? And there you have it. So that aerospace, you can probably use like maybe like some type of interior clean, like some Armor All or something just a little bit slippery, just to slip it in between here as I showed you. See what I'm saying? It slips right in between this molding and the rubber, okay? And once you're finished tucking it in there properly, pull the window up, okay? Send the window up. Now when it's coming up, push this with your finger outward a little bit so the window doesn't hit it, because remember, it's not cured yet. So pull the window up. While it's going up, hold this so the window slips in properly, and leave it for about a full day. Leave it for like 24 hours up, and you're straight. The rears are easy. The rears fit right into place. There's no complications whatsoever, but the same thing applies. Pull the window up, leave it, and you're straight. But it looks freaking very, very sleek, very, very seamless. And guys, I told you, I've used this brand before. It's really good. It's really, really, really good. I have nothing but good things to say about it. It was just like a, you know what I mean? I saw something on Amazon 4.5 years ago, and I was like, all right, I'll buy it. And let me tell you, it lasted on the truck the entire time. This is the in-channel smoked version, and it blends nicely. So guys, once again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Okay, I'll leave it in the description, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.